राष्ट्र हाच श्वास, राष्ट्र हाच ध्यास, कीर्तिगंध टिमविचा आज दश दिशास. राष्ट्र हाच श्वास, राष्ट्र हाच ध्यास, कीर्तिगंध टिमविचा आज दश दिशास. राष्ट्र हाच श्वास, राष्ट्र हाच ध्यास. एक सूर्य एक चंद्र लोकमान्य एक, एक सूर्य एक चंद्र लोकमान्य एक. ज्ञानालये अनेक गंगोत्री एक, ज्ञानालये अनेक गंगोत्री एक. निष्काम कर्मयोग जपण्याचीच आस, कीर्तिगंध टिमविचा आज दश दिशास. राष्ट्र हाच श्वास, राष्ट्र हाच ध्यास. महायज्ञ अखंड इथे सुरू, विद्यादान महायज्ञ अखंड इथे सुरू. लोकमान्य टिळकांचा कर्मयोग तो स्मरू, लोकमान्य टिळकांचा कर्मयोग तो स्मरू. नवविद्या आणि नीती शिक्षणाची कास, कीर्तिगंध टिमविचा आज दश दिशास. राष्ट्र हाच श्वास, राष्ट्र हाच ध्यास. राष्ट्रीय शिक्षणाची तेजस्वी पिढी, हो राष्ट्रीय शिक्षणाची तेजस्वी पिढी. संकटास नमवून उभारू सुराज्य गुढी, संकटास नमवून उभारू सुराज्य गुढी. देई स्मृती टिळकांची प्रेरणा मनास, कीर्तिगंध टिमविचा आज दश दिशास. राष्ट्र हाच श्वास, राष्ट्र हाच ध्यास. टिळक महाराष्ट्र विद्यापीठ आमचे, टिळक महाराष्ट्र विद्यापीठ आमचे. संशोधन ज्ञानाचे शिखर शोभते, संशोधन ज्ञानाचे शिखर शोभते. विद्याव्रत स्वत्वाच्या जागुया ब्रिदास, कीर्तिगंध टिमविचा आज दश दिशास. राष्ट्र हाच श्वास, राष्ट्र हाच ध्यास, कीर्तिगंध टिमविचा आज दश दिशास. राष्ट्र हाच श्वास, राष्ट्र हाच ध्यास, कीर्तिगंध टिमविचा आज दश दिशास. राष्ट्र हाच श्वास, राष्ट्र हाच ध्यास.
Connect today, transform tomorrow. It's not just our mission, but it's our wish for you. A very blissful morning to the galaxy of intellectuals. Overwhelming elation sweeps us when we have gathered here today for the alumni meet. It's my absolute honor to put forth the brief profile of TMV. TMV has successfully completed the rich legacy of 100 years and is reaching new heights and stature every single day. As per the directions given by Mahatma Gandhi during Indian National Congress session held at Nagpur in 1920, Tilak Maharashtra Vidyapeeth was established in 1921 as an educational memorial of Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak, the father of Indian unrest, and an advocate of national education. The establishment of the Vidyapeeth was aimed towards imparting national education conceived by Lokmanya Tilak in his fourfold formula. Other three were Swaraj, Swadeshi and Boycott. Tilak Maharashtra Vidyapeeth is known at the national level for its unique identity, for the realization of the ideal of imparting national education and igniting patriotic sentiments amongst the youth during the pre-independence era. The Vidyapeeth was awarded the status of deemed to be university by Government of India in 1987 in recognition of its contribution in the field of education, which accorded the Vidyapeeth recognition at the national level. During the last 25 years, the Vidyapeeth has developed significantly. Today, the Vidyapeeth offers various courses through 7 boards of studies. During the award of status of deemed to be university, the Vidyapeeth had only 3 faculties, namely in the fields of Ayurveda, Sanskrit, social sciences. Eventually, the new faculties were formed in the field of modern sciences, management, health science, and law. The addition of the course in discipline has been possible under the meticulous guidance of Dr. Deepak Tilak, the Chancellor of the Vidyapeeth. His leadership has resulted in the Vidyapeeth transforming itself to face the challenges in today's globalized world. The Vidyapeeth has 16 departments such as Sanskrit, Social Science, Ayurveda, Management, Japanese, External Department, PhD Department, Computer Science, Commerce, Hotel Management, Department of Fine Arts, Mass Communication Department, Social Work, Physiotherapy, Nursing, Skill Development, and Law Department. Let us now welcome the man who doesn't need any introduction and known amongst all of us for his wisdom and knowledge, and he is none other than the Honorable Chancellor of Tilak Maharashtra Vidyapeeth, Dr. Deepak Tilak sir. Sir, I earnestly request you to say a few words.
प्रभारी कुलगुरू डॉक्टर गीताली टिळक, सर्व शिक्षक आणि माजी विद्यार्थी, टिळक महाराष्ट्र विद्यापीठाने 100 वर्ष पूर्ण केलेली आहेत. 100 वर्षाचा काळ एखाद्या संस्थेच्या दृष्टीने जरी लहान असला तरी या 100 वर्षात विद्यापीठाने अनेक उपक्रम, वेगवेगळे अभ्यासक्रम राबवलेले आहेत आणि त्याच्यातून एक सक्षम असे तरुण पिढी निर्माण केलेली आहे. या विद्यापीठाला एक वेगळं असं पार्श्वभूमी आहे. लोकमान्य टिळकांनी जे चतुसूत्री सांगितली त्यातलं राष्ट्रीय शिक्षण, लोकमान्य टिळकांचं स्मारक म्हणून हे विद्यापीठ उभं राहिलं आणि या राष्ट्रीय शिक्षणाचा उपयोग करून या देशाच्या प्रगतीकरता तरुण पिढी घडवावी हे विद्यापीठाच्या समोरचं मूळ उद्दिष्ट होतं. आणि त्याच्यामुळे जुन्या पुरातन विद्या, संस्कृत, आयुर्वेदसारख्या आणि नवीन आधुनिक विद्या याचा सुरेश संगम करून या विद्यापीठांनी अनेक अभ्यासक्रम राबवलेले आणि त्याच्यातून खूप मोठ्या प्रमाणावर आज विद्यार्थी संघटना, विद्यार्थी बाहेर पडलेले आहेत. तेव्हा तुम्ही सगळेच माजी विद्यार्थी आहात आणि तुम्हाला हा निश्चित अभिमान वाटेल की आपल्या विद्यापीठाने 100 वर्ष पूर्ण केली आणि 100 वर्ष पूर्ण करत असताना ते अधिकाधिक विस्तारत आहे. आपण नॅक ॲक्रिडेशनमध्ये A ग्रेडला पोचण्याचा आपला प्रयत्न आहे किंवा A+. याचाच अर्थ संशोधन आणि रिसर्च याच्यावर खूप मोठ्या प्रमाणावर विद्यापीठाने आता झेप घेतलेली आहे आणि याचा उपयोग निश्चित सगळ्या विद्यार्थ्यांनाही होणार आहे. अभ्यासक्रमाबरोबर प्रत्येक विद्यार्थ्याला काही एक वेगळं स्किल यावं या दृष्टीने त्याबाबतचे सुद्धा अनेक लहान लहान शॉर्ट कोर्सेस विद्यापीठाने आता सुरू केलेले आहेत. मित्रांनो, हे लक्षात घ्या की ह्याचा पुढला काळ हा सतत बदलणारा असणार आहे. आज जे घडतं तीच टेक्नॉलॉजी उद्या असेल असं नाही, किंवा आज काही जॉब असतील तर ते उद्याला नसतील. त्याच्यामुळे सतत प्रत्येकाने आपल्याला अपडेट ठेवणं, नवीन टेक्नॉलॉजी करता तयार असणं आपण हे आवश्यक आहे. आणि ते तुम्ही करतही असाल. परंतु ती मनोवृत्ती ही याच्या पुढल्या काळात निश्चित राहणार आहे. म्हणजे संगणकशास्त्रासारखं म्हटलं तर ज्या वेळेला आम्ही सुरू केलं तेव्हाचं लँग्वेजेस, आजच्या लँग्वेजेस, आणि पुढे क्लाउड कॉम्प्युटिंग किंवा हा जो नवीन भाग आला आहे किंवा आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजन्स हा भाग, हा खूप तफावत आहे. आणि त्याच्याकरता प्रत्येकाने त्याचं शिक्षण संपलं असं म्हणून चालणारं नाही. आणि ते तुम्ही करावं. पुन्हा काही तुम्हाला आवश्यकता वाटेल तर विद्यापीठाचे अशाबाबतचे जे शॉर्ट कोर्सेस आहेत त्याची तुम्ही मागणी केली तर त्याच्याकरता विद्यापीठ निश्चित तुमच्याकरता काही ना काही ते सोय करून ठेवेल. आणि याच्यातून प्रत्येकजण आपली प्रगती साधू शकेल. लोकमान्यांचं एक वाक्य आहे की 100 रुपयात 1 रुपया आलाच. त्याच्या देशाच्या प्रगतीत प्रत्येक माणसाची प्रगती असतेच. आणि अशा तऱ्हेचं धोरण हे विद्यापीठाचं आहे. आता ज्युनियर कॉलेजसुद्धा आपलं सुरू होतं आहे. अनेक मेडिकल याच्यातले कोर्सेस आपण सुरू केले आहेत, BPT, नर्सिंगसारखे. आणि पुढलेही नवनवीन जे काही येईल ते विद्यापीठ करणार आहे. अशा वेळेला तुमची प्रगती हे विद्यापीठाचं नाव वाढवणारी आहे. की टिळक महाराष्ट्र विद्यापीठाचा विद्यार्थी ही जी काही भाग आहे आणि तो तेव्हा वेगवेगळ्या ठिकाणी प्रगतीची शिखरं गाठत असतो, त्यावेळेला विद्यापीठाचं नावही साहजिक वाढलं जातं. ते केवळ आम्ही इमारती बांधून किंवा अत्याधुनिक लॅब करून होत नाही, तर ते विद्यार्थ्यांच्यातून नाव निर्माण होतं. आणि अशी प्रगती तुम्ही करत राहा, विद्यापीठावर प्रेम करत राहा. जेव्हा चांगल्या तऱ्हेने तुम्ही कमवू लागाल त्यावेळेला विद्यापीठाकरता सुद्धा अधिक ते चांगलं व्हावं याच्याकरता तुम्ही तुमचं ज्ञान देऊ शकता, आर्थिक मदत करू शकता. ही जी काही तुम्हाला करता येईल ती करत राहा. मी नेहमी सुरुवातीपासून सांगत आलो की टिळक महाराष्ट्र विद्यापीठ हा एक मोठा परिवार आहे. तसं त्या परिवाराचे तुम्ही एक भाग आहात हे लक्षात ठेवा. आणि सगळे मिळून या विद्यापीठाचं नावरूप जगात नेण्याचं कार्य आपण सगळे करूयात. आणि त्याला निश्चित लोकमान्यांचे आशीर्वाद असतील. एवढंच सांगून मी तुम्हा सगळ्यांना पुन्हा एकदा शुभेच्छा देतो. धन्यवाद.
Thank you so much, sir, for remarkable guidance and words of wisdom which keeps us moving. I would earnestly plead Dr. Geetali Tilak ma'am, the Vice Chancellor of TMV, to say a few words.
Good morning, everyone. With great pleasure, I welcome you all to this auspicious occasion of our Tilak Maharashtra Vidyapeeth's alumni meet. I hope you and your family members are safe in this pandemic. Tilak Maharashtra Vidyapeeth is widely known for its highest academic standards, diverse educational programs, distinguished faculties, varied co-curricular activities, and modern infrastructure. I'm happy to share that Tirak Maharashtra Vidyapeeth completed its 100 years on 6th May 2021. It has grown as one of the renowned universities in India with 7 faculties, around 12 academic departments with over 4,000 students. Now, Tirak Maharashtra Vidyapeeth is proud to announce its tie-up and being the only authorized academic institution which provides internationally recognized AVID certification trusted and materialized by award-winning professionals worldwide. It is also equipped with world-class infrastructure in the entire country. So do visit our sound studios at Tirak Smarak Mandir and Shivaji Mandir, Sadashivpet, along with the news production studio at the Vidyapeeth campus. I'm happy to share that our Ayurved department has got excellence from the Ministry of Ayush and also has developed a research center under the ministry. So our Vidyapeeth is undertaking different projects and has developed an incubation center across different departments, like for example, the mass communication department, where we produce documentaries, we take assignments of video shooting, audio video recording, mixing, editing, photography. Then under the digital department, we have brochure designing, other stage decoration assignments, which we take. Also, we take programming assignments under the computer science department. We also provide consultancies, counseling, and corporate training programs under hotel management, nursing, social sciences, commerce, and other departments. We also have an OPD under the physiotherapy department and other healthcare services as well. We have also progressed in the sports field through the All India Inter-University Sports events and have received many awards in the past few years. Also, in the cultural field, through Purushottam Karandak and Firondia Karandak, our students has reached very new heights in the cultural field as well. So I'm sure that you will be equally proud with the progress of our Vidyapeeth. This day is very important. It provides an opportunity for everyone to meet each other after so many years. I hope you agree to this. Thanks to the technological advancements that even during this pandemic, we are able to see each other virtually. Alumni Meet also provides a chance for every graduate from the previous years to meet their former teachers and other staff members and their mentors. It also helps the alumni to notice the various changes through which your particular department or the Vidyapeeth has gone through over the past few years. I know time does not stop for anyone and it takes a lot to take some time out of your busy schedule to be here today. And for that, I thank you all. But one thing I can assure you that at the end of the day, what you take home will be worth the time you all spared today. It has been more than 100 years since our Vidyapeeth started. It was limited to few faculties with very few students to begin with. And I feel proud to say that over the years, we have scaled further heights of success and glory, earning a credible name in the educational field. Also, due to the dedication shown by our teachers to teach and the passion which you all showed to learn at that time and earn the name for our Vidyapeeth. With a special mention of our Chancellor, Dr. Deepak Tirak, who is indeed a visionary who dreamt about a multidisciplinary Vidyapeeth. And through his guidance, it was all possible for us to reach here today. Talking about a creative future, the professional courses seem to be highly rewarding, where one giant leap towards industry-ready professionals will result into a direct and greater impact on the employability of the students. Hence, we are building up new infrastructure so that our students can stand high in this industry. We are starting with new value-added courses which will help them to attain perfection, and it's a long process. When you pass out, it's not the end of you. You are still the part of us, the most trusted and reliable stakeholders. So your feedback is highly appreciable. This meeting organized today is for us to get together, think and show our concern, and for you to give your true opinion about when and where did we faulted and when we all achieved excellence. We have our house magazine in which I would like you all to contribute your articles and share your achievements and experiences with us. As in charge Vice Chancellor, I would like to invite you all to the Vidyapeeth and would like you to come ahead and contribute. Share your experience and guide the students, give your expertise and help us connect to the industry. And also give your inputs for the newly formed research center and also help us raise funds for the social activity for the betterment of the students and the society. I would like everyone to participate today. Hope you all like this arrangement made for you for your virtual reunion. Wish you a wonderful day. Have a great time ahead. We will shortly hear our alumni speak now and share their experiences about the Vidyapeeth and also their experience in their particular departments. Thank you very much and wish you all the best. Thank you.
It is said that knowledge is wealth. Ma'am, with all the knowledge you have given us today, we are the wealthiest people in the world. Thank you so much, ma'am, for sharing your views with us in spite of your busy schedule. May I now request HOD of Department of Management, Dr. Pranati Tilak ma'am, to share her views with us.
Hello everyone and welcome to the alumni meet that Tirak Maharashtra Vidyapeeth has organized for a special celebration which is during its centenary year. We are all very proud to be associated with a university which has a rich legacy of 100 years and which has been founded as a memorial for the late freedom fighter, the great man Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak. It is rightly said that an educational institution gives you wings to fly. We take off after our education and the knowledge that we've gained here and venture out into the real world, the corporate world or the industry. But it is very important also to never forget your roots. The educational institute which has been striving hard to provide quality education to your batch as well as the upcoming batches. Maybe it is time for us to think how we can be associated with this institution as well. I am very proud to say that I am an alumni of Tirak Maharashtra Vidyapeeth as well. I have done my bachelor's, master's of journalism and my PhD from Tirak Maharashtra Vidyapeeth. Now, as Dean and Professor of Department of Management Studies, we often think of ways in which alumni can contribute to the students, not just monetarily, but in terms of guidance, in terms of mentorship, in terms of all we need is your valuable time. When you were students, probably you must have faced several points in your career wherein you thought that if I would have been given the right kind of guidance for working in an industry, maybe I would have been able to perform much better. So maybe it's time for you to think about the current lot of students as well. They will benefit immensely from your guidance and mentorship in terms of your knowledge sharing. So we have a platform open for any guest lectures which you wish to give the students. We also would like you to come and interact with the students if you feel that you will be able to contribute in that way. Also in terms of entrepreneurship, all of you at some point probably must have thought as entrepreneurship as an option, or maybe in the future you would think of it as an option. So our present lot of students would also benefit from inputs and guidance from you regarding entrepreneurship as well. So any guidance that a student receives regarding how he should go forward with an when he has entrepreneurship in his mind would help them at this point. As students of Tirak Maharashtra Vidyapeeth, I am sure you must have gone for several industrial visits as well. So if you will be able to help us in arranging industrial visits in your particular place of work or any other places of work where you are, you would be able to help us, that would be welcome as well. We also, like I've said earlier, that we have a strong mentorship program, and not just the faculty members, but if any of the alumni can contribute for mentorship, that would also help us. In terms of books as well, if you find a good read which will help the students, the present lot of students, all of these are welcome from you. And while staying connected, it does not necessarily mean that we would want monetary contribution from you, but any little knowledge sharing, any little bit of your time that you can spare for our students, so that these students who are foraying, who will be moving out into the industrial world or in the corporate world, when we think of contribution from the alumni, it is not necessarily just in monetary terms. Your valuable time and knowledge will be the most beneficial right now. If you can contribute a little bit of it for our students, for our present lot of students, they will benefit, and it will go a long way to help them to prepare themselves for the current industrial setup or the corporate world. So once again, I would like to welcome you all for this alumni meet, and I hope that you enjoy your time here, and I also hope that you give a serious thought to how you can be associated with us in the future. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I now call upon our alumni to share their views and experiences with us.
नमस्कार, मी सागर गोखले, सिम्बॉसिस सेंटर फॉर मास कम्युनिकेशन या संस्थेमध्ये असिस्टंट प्रोफेसर म्हणून काम करतोय. टिळक महाराष्ट्र विद्यापीठाचा विद्यार्थी अशी स्वतःची ओळख करून देताना मला अतिशय अभिमान वाटतो, अतिशय आनंद होतो. याच विद्यापीठातनं मी जर्नलिझममध्ये मास्टर केलं आणि याच विद्यापीठातनं माझी PhD सुद्धा पूर्ण केली. विद्यापीठाचा एक विद्यार्थी म्हणून मला आलेले अनुभव हे आज तुमच्याबरोबर शेअर करायला निश्चित आवडेल. PhD साठी प्रवेश घ्यायचा म्हटल्यानंतर आम्हा काही जणांची निवड झाली कोर्सवर्कसाठी. मुळात संशोधन म्हणजे काय, ते कशाशी खातात याची मला काही कल्पना नव्हती. पण सायंटिफिक रिसर्च म्हणजे काय, रिसर्चमध्ये स्टॅटिस्टिक्सचं काय महत्त्व आहे, बिब्लिओग्राफी, स्टायटेशन, ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टी कोर्सवर्कमधनं शिकायला मिळाल्या आणि नंतर प्रत्यक्ष संशोधनाला सुरुवात झाली. माझा विषय होता दूरचित्रवाहिन्यांवर बातम्यांच्या सादरीकरणात झालेले बदल आणि माझ्या गाईड होत्या डॉक्टर गीताली टिळक. या 5 वर्षाच्या काळात असं कधीही झालं नाही की मला एखादी शंका आली आहे, मी ती गाईडला विचारली आहे आणि माझ्या गाईडनी त्या शंकेचं निरसन हे दुसऱ्या दिवशी केलंय. त्या दिवशी मला माझ्या प्रत्येक प्रश्नाचं उत्तर माझ्या गाईडकडनं मिळालं. ही अतिशय विलक्षण गोष्ट मला वाटते. त्याचबरोबर एका गोष्टीचा आवर्जून उल्लेख करायला पाहिजे. विद्यापीठाच्या वेगवेगळ्या विभागांमध्ये काम करणाऱ्या अत्यंत अनुभवी अशा प्राध्यापकांचं सुद्धा मला मार्गदर्शन मिळालं. स्टॅटिस्टिक्समध्ये मार्गदर्शन मिळालं. क्वालिटेटिव्ह आणि क्वांटिटेटिव्ह रिसर्चमध्ये नक्की कुठल्या मेथड्स अप्लाय करायला पाहिजे त्याच्यामध्ये मार्गदर्शन मिळालं. एक वेळ अशी आली होती की मला वाटलं की हे आता आपल्याच्यानी होणं अवघड आहे. त्यावेळी PhDच्या डॉक्टर सुनंदा यादव यांनी सांगितलं की असं थांबून चालणार नाही, तुम्ही एका वेळी सगळ्या चॅप्टर्सवर काम करत राहा. रोज कालच्यापेक्षा एक पाऊल जरी तुम्ही पुढे आला असाल ना, तरी सुद्धा ती खूप मोठी अचिव्हमेंट आहे. त्यामुळे संशोधन हे फक्त ढोर मेहनत आहे असं नाही, तर संशोधन म्हणजे चिकाटी, संशोधन म्हणजे सातत्य, संशोधन म्हणजे संयम. या सगळ्या गोष्टी मला माझ्या गाईडकडनं शिकायला मिळाल्या. एक गोष्ट आवर्जून जाणवली संशोधनामध्ये, विशेषतः PhDच्या संशोधनामध्ये शॉर्टकटला काहीही थारा नाही. तुमचं सॅम्पल 800चं पाहिजे असं गाईडनी सांगितल्यावर ते 800चं सॅम्पल तुम्ही द्यायला पाहिजे. तुम्हाला काही तज्ज्ञ लोकांचे इंटरव्ह्यू घ्यायचे म्हणल्यानंतर ती संख्या गाईडनी निश्चित केली होती की 20 लोक तुम्हाला पाहिजेत, किंवा तुमच्या संशोधनामध्ये केस स्टडी पाहिजे. संशोधनाला एका थिओरिटिकल फ्रेमवर्कमध्ये बसवल्याशिवाय तो प्रभावी होणार नाही. या सगळ्या गोष्टी त्यावेळी थोड्याशा अवघड वाटल्या, थोड्या किचकट वाटल्या, थोड्या क्लेशदायी वाटल्या. पण हे सगळे UGCचे नॉर्म आहेत आणि फक्त UGCचे नॉर्म पाळायचे म्हणून नाही, तर जे करायचं ते उत्तम करायचं हे ब्रीद असलेल्या विद्यापीठाचे हे नॉर्म आहेत, हे प्रत्यक्ष काम करताना मला जाणवतं. PhD करत असतानाच कोणीतरी सांगितलं होतं, खरं संशोधन हे PhD नंतर सुरू होतं. आता PhD तर पूर्ण झालेली आहे, पण खरं संशोधन आता करायला निश्चित आवडेल. पुन्हा एकदा टिमोवी विद्यापीठाचा कॅम्पस, ते ऑडिटोरियम, त्या ऑडिटोरियममध्ये संशोधनासाठी आणि संशोधनाच्या विषयावर झालेली विविध मान्यवरांची व्याख्यानं, हे सगळं काही प्रमाणात मिस करतोय. पुन्हा वेगळ्या काही पद्धतीने या सगळ्याशी जुळवून घेता आलं आणि पुन्हा एकदा विद्यापीठाशी संलग्न होता आलं तर निश्चित आवडेल. पुन्हा एकदा थँक्यू गीताली मॅडम आणि थँक्यू टिळक महाराष्ट्र विद्यापीठ.
नमस्कार, मी स्वप्नील पोरे, टिळक महाराष्ट्र विद्यापीठाच्या मासकॉम विभागाच्या माजी विद्यार्थ्यांचा आज मेळावा आहे. आपल्या सर्वांसाठीच एक आनंदाची गोष्ट आहे की दरवर्षी आपण या मेळाव्याच्या निमित्ताने एकत्र येतो, संवाद साधतो. अनेकांनी वेगवेगळ्या कल्पना कशा प्रत्यक्षात उतरवल्यात. पत्रकारितेच्या क्षेत्रामध्ये जी काही मोठी कामगिरी केलेली आहे त्याची माहिती आपल्याला या मेळाव्यातून मिळते. मी दैनिक केसरीमध्ये काम करतो आणि त्याच वेळेला टिळक महाराष्ट्र विद्यापीठाच्या पुणे केंद्राचं म्हणजे आपला प्रिंट विभाग जो आहे त्याची समन्वयाची जबाबदारी माझ्याकडे आहे. याच विद्यापीठातून मी मास्टर ऑफ जर्नालिझम हा अभ्यासक्रम पूर्ण केला. विशेषतः मी प्रिंटच्या संदर्भामध्ये आपल्याशी 1-2 मिनटं बोलीन. आम्ही ज्या वेळेला हा अभ्यासक्रम पूर्ण केला त्यावेळेला अनेक नामवंत मार्गदर्शनासाठी होते आणि तीच परंपरा टिळक महाराष्ट्र विद्यापीठाच्या मासकॉम विभागाने आजपर्यंत चालू ठेवली आहे. मला आठवतं विद्यापीठाचे आताचे कुलपती तेव्हाचे कुलगुरू डॉक्टर दीपक टिळक हे स्वतः व्यवस्थापन हा विषय शिकवायचे आणि अलीकडेही आम्ही सांगितल्यानंतर किंवा विद्यार्थ्यांनी विनंती केल्यानंतर ते आवर्जून आधुनिक वृत्तपत्र व्यवस्थापन हा विषय शिकवण्यासाठी येतात. या संपूर्ण अभ्यासक्रमाला योग्य आकार देण्याचं आणि दिशा देण्याचं काम डॉक्टर दीपक टिळक यांनी केलेलं आहे. अनेक नामवंत व्यक्ती या ठिकाणी अध्यापनासाठी येतात. मग काही नावंच जर सांगायची झाली तर ज्येष्ठ संपादक एस के कुलकर्णी, अरविंद गोखले आणि एक आम्ही ठरवलं होतं की मुलांना त्या विषयाची सर्वांगीण आणि सखोल माहिती व्हायला पाहिजे आणि म्हणून ज्यांनी प्रत्यक्ष काम केलेलं आहे. आता उदाहरणार्थ जनसंपर्क, बालभारतीच्या पूर्वीच्या जनसंपर्क अधिकारी ज्ञानदा नाईक या अनेक वर्ष जनसंपर्क हा विषय या ठिकाणी शिकवण्यासाठी येऊन गेलेले आहेत. MACBचे निवृत्त जनसंपर्क अधिकारी डॉक्टर अरविंद नेरकर हेही अनेकदा या ठिकाणी आलेले आहेत. छायाचित्रांचं महत्त्व आपण सगळेजण जाणतो, वृत्तपत्रामध्ये काय असतं ते. ज्यांनी प्रत्यक्ष छायाचित्रकार म्हणून आघाडीच्या माध्यमांमध्ये काम केलं असे संदेश भंडारे हे अनेक वर्ष हा विषय आवर्जून या ठिकाणी शिकवायला येतात. टिळक महाराष्ट्र विद्यापीठाच्या मासकॉम विभागाचे प्रिंट ज्यांनी माध्यम निवडलेलं आहे, ज्यांनी प्रिंट अभ्यासक्रम पूर्ण केला असे अनेक विद्यार्थी आज आघाडीच्या माध्यम संस्थांमध्ये चांगल्या पदावर कार्यरत आहेत आणि आपल्या क्षमतेचा, आपल्या कर्तबगारीचा परिचय ते सर्वांना देत आहेत. टिळक महाराष्ट्र विद्यापीठाचा पत्रकारितेचा जो अभ्यासक्रम आहे तो अनेक अर्थांनी वेगळा आहे. कल्पना अशी आहे की हा अभ्यासक्रम शिकताना फक्त पुस्तकी ज्ञान विद्यार्थ्यांना होऊन उपयोगाचं नाही, त्यांना कार्यानुभव पण आला पाहिजे आणि याची व्यवस्था सगळ्या अभ्यासक्रमामध्ये डॉक्टर दीपक टिळक यांनी अतिशय दूरदृष्टीने केलेली आहे. केसरीची ज्या ठिकाणी कार्यालय आहेत त्या ठिकाणी हे प्रत्यक्ष कार्यानुभव विद्यार्थी घेतात आणि त्यांना पत्रकारितेत ज्या वेळेला ते प्रत्यक्ष प्रवेश करतात त्यावेळेला कुठलीही अडचण येत नाही की जी इतर विद्यापीठाच्या विद्यार्थ्यांना येऊ शकते. कारण रिपोर्टिंग असेल, एडिटिंग असेल, लेखन असेल, सगळंच आपण त्या विद्यार्थ्यांना शिकवतो. डॉक्टर दीपक टिळक, डॉक्टर गीताली टिळक आताच्या कुलगुरू यांच्या मार्गदर्शनाखाली हा अभ्यासक्रम अतिशय प्रभावीपणे सुरू आहे आणि दरवर्षी या अभ्यासक्रमाला प्रवेश घेणाऱ्या विद्यार्थ्यांची संख्या वाढत चाललेली आहे आणि हाच विद्यार्थ्यांचा टिळक महाराष्ट्र विद्यापीठाच्या प्रती असलेला विश्वास आहे आणि तो विश्वास आपण तुम्ही, मी, माझे सगळे सहकारी अशा सगळ्यांच्या प्रयत्नातून निर्माण झालेला आहे याची मला जाणीव आहे. यापुढेही आपण सतत भेटत राहू. अनेक विद्यार्थी आज स्वतंत्रपणे न्यूज चॅनेल चालवत आहेत, स्वतंत्र वर्तमानपत्र चालवत आहेत आणि आघाडीच्या वृत्तपत्रांमध्ये, वाहिन्यांमध्ये काम करत आहेत. हे तर मी आधीच सांगितलं. हे तुमचं यश विद्यार्थ्यांचं, हे जे ते विद्यापीठ, टिळक महाराष्ट्र विद्यापीठाचं यश आहे आणि आपल्या सर्वांनाच ती जाणीव आहे. नमस्कार.
Hello, my name is Mrunal Wankhede. I had done bachelor's in mass communication and journalism from Tirak Maharashtra Vidyapeeth and I've graduated in 2020. So I think the best thing TMV has given me is the faculty. You know, we all take admission in a university to learn, you know, to explore and everything. But then it is very important that you get a faculty which is, you know, excited to teach you. They want to explore with you, and I guess that is the most important thing TMV has given me. I am still in touch with the teachers. They guide me, they correct me, you know, they tell me, okay, you can do this, you can do that. If they come across any requirement, they send it to me, and I just think it's the most wonderful thing. TMV has not given me the faculty just for the 3 years, the course. They have given me the faculty for life, and the 3 years experience has been very good. It has been something, you know, exploring kind of thing. Because we were allowed to speak, we were allowed to talk. I guess for journalism students or any media student, it's very important that you speak up, you tell what you think, even if it's negative, it's positive, whatever it is. It's important that your faculty allows you to speak, your college allows you to speak. So I guess that was something I got. Cultural aspects have been very supportive. We could do theatre through college, we could participate in some competitions. So I guess this is also something TMV has given me. I started doing theatre because of my college. I did my first play through college. So I think again it has given me something very important. Currently I work as a freelance content writer, freelance reporter, and I guess whatever my faculty has given me, my college has given me, I am using it all. And thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Raghav Sharda. I'm a freelance sound engineer with fortes in music production and post-production of movies. I completed my bachelor's in journalism and mass communication with specialization in sound engineering in the year 2020 from Tilak Maharashtra Vidyapeeth. TMV has played a very important role in helping me choose the right path and understanding the ways of the new world. The faculty and staff have always been supportive and have guided me through every path block and circumstance that arose. The journey that you take in these 3 years in TMV is a roller coaster of so many different emotions and feelings running down the mind. TMV helped me learn how to question the world when necessary and learn when wrong. 3 years filled with experiences that you'll remember your lifetime. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Soumya. I have done my bachelor's in fine arts in Tirak Maharashtra Vidyapeeth, Pune. TMV has been my home was my home since the last 3 years. The faculty we've had is the best. They have helped us grow by giving us our own space and helped us analyze our mistakes and expand our skills. Moving to the events and extracurricular activities, they are conducted throughout the year. They have helped me gain some skills for the work environment outside. And last but not the least, TMV has given me friends for a lifetime. So I thank TMV and thank you.
Hi, my name is Sumit Jitendra Upadhyay. I'm from Pune, Maharashtra. I've been learning at TMV since last 4 years, and according to me, it's been a great learning experience at a great university. The teachers are very humble and experienced, and there is equal balance of learning and reviewing information. The best thing is that the university keeps arranging timely extracurricular activities, which helps the students to get the exposure of the outside industries in their respective fields. Also, the university stands shoulder to shoulder in providing best facilities and technology to its students. Altogether, it really has been a good learning experience throughout these years in the university. In the second semester, with the help of the university, I was able to join an internship program, which helped me gain knowledge in various aspects and sharpen my skills. Tilak Maharashtra University helped me in creating various contacts and resources in my field, which now help me in getting work. Also, I've been training at Warner Sina Studios in Bangalore to become a full-fledged 2D animator and an illustrator.
Hello, my name is Sanmay Vivalkar and I have been a student at Tilak Maharashtra Vidyapit for 4 years, and from what I have experienced, I can tell you that it is a great university. The teachers are very reasonable and fair, the staff is excellent, and the rules help keep the Vidyapit safe in order. There is an equal balance of learning and reviewing information so that everyone gets what is to be done, and there is tutoring if we need it. Annually, there is a sports activities between all the departments of Tilak Maharashtra Vidyapit, and it is very helpful to students who are passionate towards their sports to just to have an exposure to showcase their talents in front of massive crowd. Right now, I am working in the Bangalore as a media manager, and honestly, all the technical knowledge that I learned from Tilak Maharashtra Vidyapit, it is really helpful for me to grow even more and make my teachers proud. A journey from a common student to a media manager was of self-discovery, full of knowledge and experience, and this was only possible because of the support, encouragement, guidance that I got from my college. Thank you.
My name is Varun. I've had my bachelor's from Tilak Maharashtra Vidyapit. I'm from Pathankot, Punjab. I have learned so many things, both inside the classroom and outside the classroom from this university. So inside the class, obviously you learn from your teachers on the subjects you're studying. And outside the class, there are a lot of things you can do. Like you can participate in the games, you can meet different people from different countries or different cities. Well, college is just not about studies. It's about the life you have in college. It's about the friends. It's about the environment you are living in. And I think Tilak Maharashtra Vidyapit will provide you very good atmosphere, very good friends. The skills you learn from there, it will help you in the future. And the teachers are very friendly. If you have any problem, you can call them anytime. You can go to them anytime. So at last, I can say I had a pretty good time in my college, both in terms of academics and my life. I think it'll be helping me in future.
Hi, my name is Sonia and I have done my studies in Bachelor of Fine Arts in Tilak Maharashtra Vidyapit, Pune. Faculty staff is there is very good and really nice. Being a student from another state, I have never felt like I'm a student from another state because of the staff there and the environment there. I have learned there regarding designing, painting, sketching, 2D animation, 3D animation, and everything about digital arts. Now I'm working as a web designer in a very reputed company, Ibis Infosys. Thank you.
Hi, I am Darshit Jain. I am from Khandwa, Madhya Pradesh, and I have completed my bachelor's from Tilak Maharashtra Vidyapit, Pune. Currently, I am doing internship at Warner Sina Studio. Coming back to the days when I was in university, this university helped me a lot to build up my confidence. One of the best thing about this university was their teacher. They always ready to help you and support you. And there are lots of extracurricular activities going on in the campus which help you to learn more things that you don't actually learn in academics. And yeah, this was so wonderful time. I cannot forget. Always grateful to the faculty members and to the friends who support me as well, and also it was very wonderful journey to me. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Dipti Sonone. I'm studying Tilak Maharashtra Vidyapit since 4 years. My college has given me a very beautiful experience. Also, my faculty is so supportive. Now I'm working as an animator in Aryan Smart Learning. Thanks to my college to all these supports. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Jacob Shane. I'm coming from Kerala South. I completed my bachelor's from Tilak Maharashtra Vidyapit, Pune, as a animator in Bachelor of Fine Arts in Animation. Like, as a college experience was a very wonderful experience for me, and I thought it was very big challenge for me in the field of like it's like about language and all, but everybody is very cooperative, like faculties and all the people in TMB were very cooperative, office staff and everybody, and TMB gives us very good opportunity to the coming world of designs and all. And now I am doing my first job as a graphic designer in Pune, where I did my internship. It's like near to Banner, Pune, in education solution. It is an education solutions, means like Novel Vista. Now I'm a junior designer there, and I'm looking for like outside studies also. And about TMB, it was like, what to say, it was a very good environment, and the first time I was there, like it was little bit difficult for me about the language, but it was good experience. Like I studied Hindi and English as well, so that career was very good, and TMB light up my career. Thank you the faculties, thank you teachers, every staff for TMB. Thank you for your support. Thanks a lot.
Hi, I am Jyoti Chavan from BFA department. I studied in TMB for 4 years, and that 4 years are very precious years of my life, because in that years I learned a lot of things. Because I am from a small village, and before joining the TMB I don't have that much confidence. I built my confidence in TMB. Their extracurricular activities are just awesome. You can learn a lot of things from that, and you can live your life happily with interest. There are a lot of things you can learn from the TMB, and I also learned it. I become self-dedicated and self-independent, and now I am working in GP Enterprises as a graphic designer, and all the things I learned from the TMB are useful for me in my daily life, in my work. If you want to build your career, then TMB is the best option for you. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Nitin Khana from Tilak Maharashtra Vidyapit Pune. So currently I am pursuing my bachelor's degree from this college in BFA Animation. So this college has helped us in a lot of things, guided us to achieve our goals. I'm so happy to be a part of this college. Thanks a lot.
My name is Sagar Varsad Thorat. I have completed a Bachelor of Fine Arts degree from Tilak Maharashtra Vidyapit, Pune. I studied 4 years in Tilak Maharashtra Vidyapit. I have learned 2D, 3D animation and designing in this course. Our college has taken many international conferences on designing and other activities. We had gone to study tour arranged by our college all over India. Our college has taken many guest lectures for us and other activities as creative activities. Currently, I am doing internship in NFT Gate India Private Limited.
Hi, this is Shreya. I have completed my BFA degree in Tilak Maharashtra Vidyapit. Being a student of this institute, I can proudly say that it is the best institute so far. The college professors, well-cultured etiquettes, deep-rooted principles, and also the ambience and the vibe. It all just adds up and eventually contributes in achieving your goal and setting your career path. In these 4 years, I have achieved and learned a lot of things. Thank you for the faculty for helping me in this.
Hello, my name is Sneha and I'm a student of BFA Animation from Tilak Maharashtra Vidyapit. I have spent my 4 marvelous years in this college, which has given me a lot of different memories with my friends and a lot of opportunities to reach my goals. The college has an amazing teaching faculty that helps each and every child to focus on their highest potential. Apart from academics, the college also focuses on extracurricular activities like Sanskriti, Ganpati clay modeling, Ganesh festival decoration, Christmas parties, even Dandiya night decoration, which helps each and every person to grow their skills and become more confident. Which also organizes different educational trips to different parts of the country that helps students to explore their skills and improve professionalism in their respective fields. Apart from this, for professional growth, the college also helps the students to get internship. I am forever grateful to all my teachers and college to provide me with a lot of opportunities for my professional growth.
Hello everyone. When I first came to this university, I just knew that it was started by legendary freedom fighter Sri Bal Gangadhar Tilak. But only after studying in this place, I came to know that because of institute like this, Pune had got its title of the Oxford of the East. ऑगस्ट 2008 ला मी ज्यावेळेस टिळक महाराष्ट्र विद्यापीठच्या हॉटेल मॅनेजमेंट डिपार्टमेंटमध्ये ऍडमिशन घेतलं त्यावेळेस पहिलं माझं टार्गेट होतं की मला हॉटेल मॅनेजमेंट कंप्लीट करून एक चांगल्या प्रकारची जॉब ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी मिळाली पाहिजे. पण ज्यावेळेस मी ऍडमिशन घेतलं त्यानंतर पूर्णपणे माझी लाईफच चेंज झाली. मला टिळक महाराष्ट्र विद्यापीठ आणि हॉटेल मॅनेजमेंट डिपार्टमेंटनी कॉन्फिडन्स आणि कशा प्रकारे आपण एक्सपिरियन्स घेऊन आपल्या प्रॉब्लेमला टॅकल करू शकतो हे शिकवलं. 2008 ते 2011 हे 3 वर्ष माझ्या लाईफ मधले एक सुवर्ण अक्षरामध्ये लिहिले गेलेले वर्ष आहेत. ह्या 3 वर्षामुळे माझी पूर्ण पुढची लाईफ तयार झाली. हॉटेल मॅनेजमेंटला असताना महेश सर आणि डॉक्टर साठे मॅडम यांच्या मार्गदर्शनाखाली आम्ही सर्व आमचा पूर्ण हॉटेल मॅनेजमेंटचा ग्रुप हा काम स्टडी करत होता. आम्हाला आउटडोर केटरिंग, वेकेशनल ट्रेनिंग या असल्या खूप प्रकारच्या आउटडोर ऍक्टिव्हिटीज मध्ये आम्हाला गुंतवलं गेलं. त्यामुळे आम्हाला स्टडी करतानाच मार्केटमधला अनुभव मिळत गेला. त्याच्याच जोरावरती आम्ही पास आउट झाल्यावरती आम्ही जॉब केला. माझी प्रोसेस जी होती, मी पहिल्यांदा जॉब पास आउट झाल्यानंतर ऍज अ जॉब ट्रेनी, त्यानंतर फ्रंट ऑफिस एक्झिक्युटिव्ह, ऑपरेशन मॅनेजर, जनरल मॅनेजर आणि आता मी ऍज अ मॅनेजिंग डायरेक्टर काम करतोय. हे सर्व शक्य झालं फक्त टिळक महाराष्ट्र युनिव्हर्सिटीच्या हॉटेल मॅनेजमेंट डिपार्टमेंटमुळे. 2016 ला मी विना हॉलिडेज ही टूर्स अँड ट्रॅव्हल कंपनी स्टार्ट केली. 5 वर्ष झाले मी आता ऍज अ मॅनेजिंग डायरेक्टर विना हॉलिडेज ही कंपनी पाहतो. माझ्या टुरिझम मधील इंटरेस्टला सुद्धा टिळक महाराष्ट्र युनिव्हर्सिटीचं हॉटेल मॅनेजमेंट डिपार्टमेंट आणि त्याची फॅकल्टी जबाबदार आहे. कारण त्यांनीच मला टुरिझम मध्ये मी कसं करिअर करू शकतो त्याचं गायडन्स. मला टुरिझम मध्ये सुरुवातीपासूनच इंटरेस्ट होता, पण त्याचा प्रॉपर गायडन्स हा मला टिळक महाराष्ट्र युनिव्हर्सिटीमध्ये मला फॅकल्टीकडून मिळाला. त्यामुळं मी आज जे काही आहे ते टिळक महाराष्ट्र युनिव्हर्सिटी आणि हॉटेल मॅनेजमेंट डिपार्टमेंटमुळे आहे. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच फॉर गिव्हिंग मी द ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी टू शेअर माय एक्सपिरियन्स. मी अभिनंदन करतो टिळक महाराष्ट्र विद्यापीठाचं. मी अभिनंदन करतो सर्व स्टुडंट जे 100 वर्षामध्ये येऊन गेले आणि सर्व फॅकल्टीचं की त्यांनी ह्या 100 वर्षाच्या प्रवासामध्ये टिळक महाराष्ट्र युनिव्हर्सिटीला साथ दिली. ऑल द बेस्ट टिळक महाराष्ट्र युनिव्हर्सिटी 100 वर्ष पूर्ण केल्यामुळे. आणि आम्हाला अभिमान आहे की आम्ही या युनिव्हर्सिटीचा भाग झालो आणि इथून पुढेही आम्ही या युनिव्हर्सिटीचा भाग कोणत्या ना कोणत्या निमित्ताने होतच राहणार. थँक्यू.
Hello everyone, my name is Bhagyashree Joshi, straight from the batch of 2015 from the Department of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Tirak Maharashtra Vidyapeeth, Pune. It is my pleasure to be here with you all today on this virtual alumni meet. And I hope the pandemic is treating you all very kindly, my dear friends. Thank you for attending this meet. Thinking of Tirak Maharashtra Vidyapeeth always brings a smile on my face. The reason being the 3 years that I completed my degree there, the process was so engaging, filled with so many sweet and salty memories that I took them with me and they are with me in my heart, closely related to me till today. The faculty members at Tirak Maharashtra Vidyapeeth are known for providing wholesome and holistic experience to their students. I say wholesome because it is not only related to the journals, it is not only related or limited to the practical sessions or any theory lectures, but you are given various opportunities. Numerous number of times you are compelled to participate in different competitions where you understand more about yourself as you become a part of the journey of those 3 years, and where the best from you comes out. Best of your abilities, best of your communication skills, best of your dressing, best of your sense, best of everything from you is something you take back with you once you finish the degree. So for me, this course helped a lot. Studying at Tirak Maharashtra Vidyapeeth Department of Hotel Management and Technology helped me a lot in what I am today. Little did I know that all the competitions that I was a part of were preparing me for something very bright in future. The way I was compelled to take part in the competition, the way I was motivated to be a part of every activity that happens within the department, being food festival or be it an intercollegiate competition, prepared me for the real world outside. I must say that I developed my leadership skills. As in when I participated in the competitions, I did not realize it back then. I didn't know what I was doing. I only knew that I had practicals, I had journals to be completed, and I had some competition which was very exhausting, and I still had to prepare for it because Sathe ma'am had asked us to prepare for it. And that was that by then. And winning was of course something really nice and which motivated me to take part in competitions further. So I took a part in total 5 competitions. I was given an exposure to perform at national level with a competition in Mumbai, which we won and brought the trophy back to the department. I must tell you that was an experience which I would never forget in my life. So yes, being on time, dressing up neatly, completing your work on time, reaching the campus on time is very, very important, because as soon as you are absorbed into the industry, you'll be like those little turtles going into the sea, and there's a huge world outside, and you stand out from other people when you work on these little things, when you work on how you dress, where you work on being punctual, when you work on speaking smartly or dressing neatly. These things or these special characteristics of your persona go a long way in the growth of your career. You discipline yourself. So putting this in a nutshell, discipline is what you take back with you when you finish a course with Tirak Maharashtra Vidyapeeth Department of Hotel Management and Catering Technology. Believe me, all my dear juniors, this course is very meticulously, very brilliantly planned, where each side, every aspect of your personality is sharpened. You are skilled in various ways you wouldn't even realize. The key to take the full potential out of this course is to follow what is being told by the faculty members. So yes, so when I knew what I was, when I was a turtle, when I came back to the sea, these skills helped me a lot in standing out. The confidence in taking leadership during events helped me till today, and I'm able to do a lot of good things in my life currently. I work, I do my research in language tourism, I write various articles for the government, especially related to travel and tourism, mostly related to travel and tourism. I write for Times Femina for their travel articles. I have been interviewed by them recently. I have my own travel blog with the name of thepoonagirl.com. Do visit the blog, do read, and do take something from it. Do be motivated, do be inspired to do something different during a span of these 3 or 4 years with the Vidyapeeth. The university plays a key role. The faculty members at the department are very, very important people who are going to give you all that they have, all the special knowledge, all the talent that they have, provided you are ready for it. So ask yourself, challenge yourself, are you ready to make the most out of this course? Are you ready to take what these wonderful faculty members have with them? Are you ready to show that dedication and compel them to give you all that they have, so that you make a wonderful career, make yourself, your parents and your faculty members proud? It was a pleasure being able to speak on this platform, and I'm sure this conversation, this monologue helped you in some way, and I would like to hear from you all. Do keep in touch, do reach out to me, and do ask me for any help that you need in your career, in your course, in upskilling yourself in various ways. Like I did the IATA diploma, I did various other courses. I finished my BBA, I did my graduation, my master's, and currently doing my PhD degree. So you have a long way to go. Decide how far you have to reach. The faculty members are here, the university is here to support you. Ask yourself what you want and get it. Thank you very much.
Hi everyone, this is Ali Naik. I studied in TMV's IHM City from 2012 to 2015 with the help of continuous exposure to all India level competitions and industrial trainings and vocational trainings and a lot of counseling from my teachers, my principal. I was able to get recruited in the Oberoi group. I got recruited through campus recruitment, and this was again with a lot of efforts that my teachers took into me in developing me as a person and as a hospitality professional. This break with Oberoi actually helped me understand a core operational department such as front office. This further led me to pursue a career and explore the world of revenue management and reservations. And today I work as cluster reservation supervisor for 5 hotels in 5 different brands under Hilton portfolio in UAE, and still learning. But I would like to take this opportunity to thank my professors, Ashutosh sir, Raviraj sir, Mansi ma'am, Mugdha ma'am, Aditi ma'am, and Tejas sir. And last but not least, Sathe ma'am, I love you. And also I would like to thank the support staff, Sangam Dada, Shankar Dada, Ganesh Dada, and Rupali Tai. I still miss you a lot, all of you. And happy anniversary and happy 100. Congratulations on completing 100 years successfully, and wish you many more to come. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Amay Marathe, alumni of Tirak Maharashtra Vidyapeeth's IHM City. I would like to congratulate all dignitaries, faculties and students of Tirak Maharashtra Vidyapeeth for completion of its centenary year. It is a proud moment for all of us that Vidyapeeth have completed its glorious 100 years of its educational journey. Throughout this year, Vidyapeeth have created many political leaders, entrepreneurs, professionals and artists. Talking about my experience with Vidyapeeth, I got introduced to this wonderful place where Department of Hotel Management started a new course, Bachelor's in Hotel Management and Catering Technology. I got a proper education while pursuing this course. I must say that the knowledge of what I got was very much helpful, and because of this knowledge and the discipline and the efforts taken by my faculty, I have successfully completed 7 years in the hotel industry and I'm still going on. Currently, I'm working as a corporate relations officer, and I'm really proud that my faculty has given me all the things, all the support which an individual needs when he starts off his career. I must say that the faculty at Tirak Maharashtra Vidyapeeth not only helps the individual or student to excel in his academics, but they also motivate them to excel in the extracurriculum. Extracurriculum activities would be anything related to sports, art, music. So to fulfill all these activities or to fulfill their hobbies, Tirak Maharashtra Vidyapeeth organizes many interesting cultural events also, and they are active participants in inter-college college competitions also. During the course of learning, we were not confined to only 4 walls of 4 pillars of classroom. We were given a really good practical exposure to understand whatever we were being taught during our theoretical lectures. We were able to understand and also to relate. The practical exposure was arranged through seminars, your workshops, then field visits and even research. So this advice or this sort of activities or the idea of teaching helped us to establish ourselves in the industry, and that's how we got very well molded as a good hospitality professional. I could also proudly say that Tirak Maharashtra Vidyapeeth is very much focused on the personalized. They give a lot of personal attention on a student. If a student is having any sort of difficulty or in coping up any sort of skills, or even they're facing some intrapersonal problems like anxiety, they're getting nervous, even any sort of problem they have, faculty is very much helpful in overcoming a student in its shortcomings. Tilak Maharashtra Vidyapit is also involved in a lot of ISR activities as well, like food donation during festivals, then village adoption, tree plantation, and water conservation activities. It's a really good thing that this activities inculcate the value in students, and the sense of social awareness. Like a very famous hospitality personnel like Bill Marriott, where it's his motive that you should take care of the people. When if you take care of people, they take care of yours. It's a very famous quote, and that's what the Tilak Maharashtra Vidyapit also ensures, that every student knows how to take care of their colleagues when they're working, the community to whom they will be serving. Whenever a success is in their bag or in their pouch, they should also be humble enough to serve the wonderful community who has poured in all their efforts also to achieve the feat where they would be achieving it now. Today, on this wonderful occasion, I'm really happy that my faculty members invited me to express my gratitude for this place and my love also. And I'm really proud to be a part of this wonderful heritage place, which is named after a legend like Lokmanya Tilak. And I would just say that thank you all, thank you everyone, thank you TMV. I would just like to conclude by saying that since you're taking a fresh start to start a new journey, let the Siha Garjana begin. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Hello everyone. Hope you are doing great. My name is Neeraj Anil Bam and I am proud alumni of Tilak Maharashtra Vidyapit. I have started my hotel management bachelor's in 2009 and successfully completed in 2012 from Tilak Maharashtra Vidyapit Pune under the guidance of Sathe ma'am, Mahesh sir, Tejas sir, Meghna ma'am and Prajakta ma'am. In those 3 years, I did so many trainings, I did so many food festivals, and also I did outdoor caterings. Also, I have participated in inter-colleges competition. These all motivation given by the teachers, and also I learned new things about hotel industry from them, especially from Mahesh sir. They always motivate me to grow my career. After graduation, he motivated me to do a bartending course, who helps me a lot to grow my or build my career. So because of that, I worked so many places. I started my career as a bartender from Malaka Spice restaurant in Pune. After that I worked in Goa. Then I worked in US as a bar supervisor. Since last 5 years, I am working as a bar supervisor, and currently I am in Auckland, New Zealand, working as a bar manager in Stamford Hotel. I really thankful to Mahesh sir who gave me this opportunity and who built my career. I really thankful to all of them, and also I want to congratulate them, to all the staff members of Tilak Maharashtra Vidyapit, and for completed 100 successful years. And also thanks to Mahesh sir who gave me this opportunity to talk about my college. Thank you so much and have a nice day and stay at home. Thank you so much.
Good morning everyone. My name is Vimanyu Singh Rathore and I'm ex-student of TMV IHM City. I did my hotel management from this reputed institute in the year 2014 April. Afterwards I worked in several best properties in India, and then I switched to aviation industry. I was serving in Jet Airways for a couple of years. Then I served also in SpiceJet, and currently I'm working as an assistant relationship manager in Agronic Food Private Limited, which is based in Rajasthan, Jodhpur. Education has never been simply a policy issue. It's something personal to me. Every day in our life we make some decisions, either big or small. So God gave me an precious opportunity to give a right decision for myself, to choose one of the finest university in India, TMV IHM City, where I did my hotel management. And I can sincerely say that I was blessed to be the part of this great institute. TMV IHM City comprises of great infrastructure, buildings and splendid amenities which every student crave for, being a hotel management student. Professors and lecturers are not just teachers, they are mentors too, who groom you, who shape you in such a way that you can be one of the great person in the hotel industry with a great amount of experience. In our 3 years of academic experience, we have been taught that sincerity and hard work is ladder to success. There is no shortcut to success. To attend vocational training and industrial training for a couple of months, which give us tremendous amount of experience that what exactly happens in hotel industry. I think this was one of the most prominent steps taken by our principal ma'am, Dr. Swarna Sathe. Most important thing about my university experience is the chance to grow as a person and as well as academically, and I think TMV has always exceeded my expectations. Well, proper guidance is a key approach to desired consequences. Under the guidance, there come excellence. This is what TMV did to my life. At the ending note, I would like to pay my regards and give a sincere thanks from the bottom of my heart to our Vice Chancellor Sir, Mr. Deepak Tilak, and all our teachers and lecturers for making us successful and fruitful person in our life. And last but not the least, Dr. Swarna Sathe, our principal ma'am, for always being a guiding light and making us shine like a star. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Umang, and I would like to congratulate TMV for its completion of 100 years and many more to come. And I was really fortunate to be a part of TMV family, and I came there in 2009 to study BBA in Hospitality and Tourism, and I graduated in 2012. And about my experience, I have had like mixed experience, like some were good, some were bad, and the bad ones were like because of my mistakes and everything, so that's okay. But the good ones were like all my ex-professors. I would like to include Mahesh Sathe ma'am, Meghna ma'am, Prajakta ma'am, Tejas sir. They all helped me in everything, like their guidance and their support, and like without them, like I wouldn't be here. And at the same time, they taught me the value of time and everything. So you have to be like disciplined and dedicated to like whatever you're doing. And this is a time where you learn about everything, about like how to develop your skills, how to take things like in a positive way. So in these 3 years, I learned a lot of things from them, so which helped me to reach where I am today. And so in my last year, I got to know what I want to do in life, so I made focus on that, and with the help of my professor, Mr. Mahesh sir, so he gave me the research, for the how to develop or how to start the restaurant. So that really helped me to start my own business or to take forward my family business. And it's been like 10 years now, so I'm here in the Andamans handling my family business. So we have got 2 restaurants. So it's on the name of Anju Coco Resto. So Anju means it's a nickname of my mother. So on a name, and coco means like coconut tree all around. So this is how the name came up. So we started our restaurant from Havelock. So Havelock is the island which is the happening place in the Andamans. So from Port Blair you have to take a ferry to there, and we opened another restaurant in Port Blair, so it's on the same name, and now it's like one of the top 3 restaurants in the Andamans. And and like at the same time I would like to say this to everyone, like whatever you're doing, just keep focus on that, like the dedication, and just keep motivated, keep inspired. And I was really fortunate to be a part of such a university, and sometimes I miss everyone, and I'm looking forward to see everyone again in the coming future, and I wish the best to everyone. Thank you.
I hope you guys are doing well in this pandemic. My name is Amitabh Malekar, and I was part of this huge institute from the batch of 2012. I did my 3 years BBA program from the Hotel Management Department under the guidance of Satya ma'am, Mahesh sir, Mansi ma'am, and few more mentors. It was my pleasure that I was a part of this amazing institute. After my graduation, I have worked in few reputed brands like JW Marriott, Taj, and then I switched to standalone restaurants. For the last 6 years, I am working at manager designations and currently managing 2 reputed brands in Pune as an operation manager. The best part of our institute is that they taught us how to convert your struggle into beautiful learning experience. I clearly remember that when we first entered the industry with no experience, at that time our vacation training, ODCs and college activities helped us a lot to gain our spot. On the other hand, there were other people from different institutes, but they were not aware of all these things which we practically learned in our academic period. I can proudly say that it was one of the best institutes from Pune that can give you exactly what you are expecting from it. I will always be grateful to all my mentors, especially Mahesh sir, who was with me in my journey from the beginning till today. During this course, I did not only learn educational things but also found myself as a professional. Satya ma'am's strictness and discipline helped us to develop our personality along with many other skills which are indirectly useful in our hospitality industry. On the other hand, Mahesh sir's nature helped us to understand the actual reality of industry in different way, so that we were always ready to hard work without any difficulties. I wish you all the very best to TMV University for future growth, and thank you for allowing me to share my thoughts. Stay safe.
Hello everyone, my name is Ayushi Tiwari and I have done my BBA in Hotel Management from Tilak Maharashtra Vidyapeeth, the most constructive 3 years of my life, where not only did I gain some amazing professional skills, but also had a very good personal discovery. A big thank you to all the motivated and caring teachers, Mansi ma'am, Mahesh sir, Aditi ma'am, Amit sir, and also super supportive and super strict Satya ma'am. They have always encouraged everyone, come what may. Till date, they give me a sort of confidence every time I see them or meet them. So our college does not only provide us with the best facilities, machinery and ingredients, but it also taught me something very important. That is, hospitality industry can be very rewarding because we have n number of opportunities to grab. And we also have a major contribution to the overall economy and development compared to any other sector. So I will tell you all how I discovered what I wanted to do. First year, I thought it's front office I want to get into. Front office was my goal. Second year, I was in 2 minds and not sure. By the third year, I was sure that it's baking I want to get into. It's baking that actually pulls me. So in my last year of my training, I did it from a baking institute called White Lotus, where I also got an opportunity to do my internship from after my training was done, which led me to a job offer by the institute. So I had an amazing opportunity there. I worked there for 3 years. I was learning while teaching, so it was amazing. And right now, I'm a teacher. I'm a food production teacher at DPS Greater Noida, and still have a long way to go, learning something new each day. Thank you, everyone, and good luck to all.
Hi everyone, my name is Akash Lalani, and I'm going to talk about my experience with TMV and my exposure in and out of TMV. So when I started TMV, there was no clear goals of how I'm going to go about in hospitality, and we had gone to different institutes, but there was no clarity on how things will be. But when I came to TMV, I met the professors, I met Satya madam, and there was some definite goal or pathway that me and my parents did find. Years passed by, I learned quantity kitchen, I learned front office, housekeeping, and food and beverage. Myself, kudos. And in this due course, I learned that many things are important, not just the skill, but on human grounds, on patience, understanding, proper learning of skills. Then I went to Sofitel for my internship, and slowly, gradually, I became assistant manager sales because I was always interested in sales and front office. 2 years I was in Lemon Tree Hotels, which is next to Pune railway station, and in this pandemic, also touchwood, the hotel was very good, and they did not really lay off any of the salespeople, which led for me to pursue myself for a higher education. Right now I'm in Toronto, Canada, and I'm pursuing global hospitality business development. The experience is amazing. I'm working as a cook in Popeyes Louisiana kitchen. I have another year for global operations management. I want to thank TMV, and it is for real that I want to thank TMV, and it's been a great journey. If anybody who wants to pursue hospitality, TMV I feel is the right place, because there is a discipline that one needs to pursue any skill. Now in this social media platforms and era, we get distracted very easily, but I look forward to become a director of sales one day, and thank you for this opportunity. Have a nice day.
Hello, I am Delphina Ghatge, an ex-student of Tirak Maharashtra Vidyapeeth Institute of Nursing Education and Research, batch of 2019 and 20. I had a great experience studying in Tirak Maharashtra Vidyapeeth being a nursing student. It was a great privilege for me to be taught by good teachers and to be under the guidance of Principal Ma'am Mrs. Madhuri Sherke. I am a registered nurse now. I was formerly working in Sahyadri Hospital, and as of now, I plan on working on my further studies, and I'm proud to be a nurse.
Hello everyone, I'm Akash Dongre, working in Seven Hills Hospital in high dependency unit as a COVID warrior. I have completed my BSc nursing in Tilak Maharashtra University in Pune. Now I'm serving the people, the one who really needs the care, and now I'm very happy to serve them because I have learned so many things from my teachers, from my principal, from my staff, my friends, which I have learned everything in my college. Now I am serving the people with the help of them, and I am very happy to see them and serving them as a COVID warrior. Thank you so much.
I'm Ms. Prerna Ramesh Jagdale, ex-student of Tilak Maharashtra Vidyapeeth Institute of Nursing Education and Research, batch of 2014. It was great privilege to study in this college as a nursing student, and we had a great support of our principal ma'am, Mrs. Madhuri Sherke, and all other teachers who has taught us. Now I'm a staff nurse working in Cantonment Hospital and also a COVID warrior, and I'm proud to be a nurse.
Hi, I'm Alvin Jos. I'm ex-student from Tilak Maharashtra Vidyapeeth, batch of 2019. I'm at US now. I work as a dialysis nurse in St. Joseph's Hospital. I'm so proud to be a nurse.
Hello, myself I'm Sumarti Digichalla, ex-student of Tilak Maharashtra Vidyapeeth Institute of Nursing Education and Research, batch of 2015-19. It has been very great privilege studying in a great college with a good people and a beautiful environment. I have formerly worked in Ram Nursing Home and I'm doing my higher studies in nurse practitioner in critical care at Navi Mumbai, where I work in ICU for critically ill patients. I would like to thank all the nurses all over the country for being a part of this pandemic crisis, standing firm and being a backbone for every patient in this critical situation. And as I work in ICU, I see the patients who are stressed up and they feel their life is going to end in this situation. But talking to them and keeping them mentally strong and supporting them psychologically, which helps in the betterment of their situation. And as being a COVID warrior in this pandemic situation, I feel very proud to work for our country and to be a part of this nursing profession. And I'm proud to be a nurse. And I would like to thank everyone for doing the same and wish you a happy International Nurses Day. Thank you.
Hello, everyone. Good day. My name is Brian Stevens, and I'm a past student of TMV, Tilak Maharashtra Vidyapit 2013 to 2016 badge. I'm from Ghana in West Africa. My stay in TMV has been nothing but great. I learned a lot of things whilst I was there. One of the great skills that I learned from TMV is the understanding of programming languages and their code to be able to identify and solve problems in programming language. Madam Supriya Nagaka, thank you for the foundation, the strong foundation you gave me in C programming, which made me understand programming from errors. So if I should write a program and I get a certain error, because of the foundations you gave me in writing that program, I'm able to identify that program. These errors that I'm talking here is not syntax error. I'm talking about logical errors. Your programming, your foundations in C programming made me know the errors that I'm able to identify in the code. I also want to thank Madam Mina Kalamka. You were always encouraging me, always pushing me to be the best version of myself. I remember you encouraging me to give a speech in class. I'm very shy when it comes to public speaking, but you encouraged me to add on to that skill. And because of you, in my current role at where I am, I'm able to talk in the presence of managing directors. Well, I'm working with a multinational bank industry known as EcoBank. You can Google us. We are in 53 countries in Africa, and we work with other countries around the globe. My role in EcoBank is project manager. I used to be the disaster recovery manager, and my specialty was capacity management and configurations assurance management. I'm being able to succeed in this program, and because of the numerous configurations we need to store, and we need to ensure that they are working properly. And because of this foundation that I got in TMV, when a configuration is brought to my desk, I'm able to look at it and optimize it and say that no, this configuration has errors inside. I'm able to look at the source code of various programs and then identify errors. Because we are working in a financial institution, you need to pay attention to every little detail that is in the programming. Thank you so much, Madam Mina Kalanka, for the C# programming. In this case, it was ASP.NET. Because of that, I learned very well XML, because in the banking sector, we use a lot of XML for back-end integrations. So I'm able to look at the source code and identify certain programs, certain errors in the program before we even take it for pen testing, that is penetration testing. Thank you so much. I can remember a few. I want to send my greetings to Madam Prafula, ma'am. Thank you so much for your teachings of Java and JavaScript. It has really helped me. It's all part of the strong foundations that I got. Today, I'm still in touch with the school. The school became more than a college for me. For me, it became a family, where after school, I'm still in touch with my teachers. We talk a lot. We discuss a lot of things. and how life is generally. I really wish I could be there one of these days to visit you in person. But in the meantime, I want to encourage every student of TMV watching this video that if you are in this college, I want to assure you, you are in a good college, and that I will encourage you to learn everything that you can in that school, because the world is ever changing, and TMV is giving you the tools to succeed in this ever changing world. Thank you so much for the department, for the whole management of TMV, who have thought it wise to invite me to speak to this generation of computer science students. If you are from a foreign country watching this, I want to encourage you that open your ears and open your eyes. You'll be able to hear everything that they are saying, because they are doing really great. Thank you so much for teaching us like a mother teaches their son. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Hello everyone, and I'm Soleri James. I'm originally from Myanmar, and I took BCA in TMV and completed in 2018. I would like to share with you my journey in TMV. When I first arrived, and almost everything was strange to me because it was the first time being in another country, but little by little I became used to it, and I started to be happy. I met a lot of friends from different countries, and the teachers were very kind and helpful, and I complain about the curriculum of the course in my mind, because I'm sort of a person who just want to focus on a specific thing at a time until I know how to apply it. Sometimes I thought I only needed to focus on very few subjects, and other subjects were not necessary, but I was wrong about that. When I actually went to the IT industry, I finally realized and all the knowledge required, and now I benefit from all the subjects, and I learned from TMV. Nothing is wasted, and it is all worth. I also want to thank the school and as well as the department teachers and staffs. Thank you.
मित्रांनो, माझं नाव जयेश जयवंत म्हात्रे, राहणार अलिबाग, रायगड. मी सन 2009 ते 11 मध्ये TMV टिळक महाराष्ट्र विद्यापीठाचा एक भाग होतो. म्हणजे मी सन 2011 साली MCA ची पदविका घेऊन बाहेर पडलो. तसं टिळक महाराष्ट्र विद्यापीठ हे गोलटेकडी इथे आहे, परंतु आमचे क्लासेस हे लोकमान्य टिळकांचे जिथे म्युझियम आहे ते अशा केसरी वाड्यात आमचे MCA चे क्लासेस व्हायचे. मला अजूनही ते पहिले दिवस आठवतात. मी तसं कॉम्प्युटर काही जास्ती हाताळलेलं नव्हतं, त्यामुळे कॉम्प्युटर प्रोग्रामिंग, लँग्वेज किंवा डेटाबेस याबद्दल मला खूप अशी भीती होती की कशा प्रकारे हे करायचं, कोडिंग कशी असते, काय असतं, हे काहीच स्टार्टिंगला मला काहीच आयडिया नव्हती. परंतु तिथले नगरकर मॅडम, नामजोशी मॅडम, मिनल मॅडम, घाटपांडे मॅडम ह्यांनी ती आमचा एवढा पाया मजबूत केला ना की आता आम्हाला ते प्रोग्राम वगैरे काहीच वाटत नाही. पूर्ण भीती त्या सर्वांनी आमची घालवली प्रोग्रामिंग मधली. वेळोवेळी आम्हाला येणाऱ्या शंका किंवा त्यांनी वेळोवेळी क्लिअर केल्या, आणि ज्या काही आयडिया वगैरे यायच्या त्या कशा प्रोग्रामिंग मध्ये टाकायच्या, कशा प्रकारे कोडिंग करायचं, ह्याचे त्यांनी खूप वेळा मदत केली म्हणजे आम्हाला आमचा पायच पूर्णपणे त्यांनी मजबूत करून टाकला. फक्त त्यामुळेच की नाही, आज मी आता मी CSC म्हणजे कॉमन सर्व्हिस सेंटर ई गव्हर्नन्स या प्रोजेक्टमध्ये रायगड जिल्ह्याचा डिस्ट्रिक्ट मॅनेजर म्हणून काम करत आहे. माझ्या अंडर 500+ म्हणजे 500+ मुलं कॉम्प्युटर ऑपरेटर मुलं काम करत आहेत. ही सर्व मुलं गव्हर्नमेंटची जी काही ऍप्लिकेशन आहे त्याच्यामध्ये डेटा एंट्रीचं काम करतात. माझं काम असं असतं की त्यांना येणारे बग्स, एरर हे त्यांना सोडून द्यायचे. जर ते सॉल्व्ह होत नसतील तर ते दिल्ली NIC पर्यंत पोहोचते करायचे. तसंच नवीन कुठलं ऍप्लिकेशन आलं किंवा नवीन वेबसाईट डेव्हलप झाली जी सेंट्रल गव्हर्नमेंटने किंवा स्टेट गव्हर्नमेंटने काढलेली आहे, तर त्या संदर्भातली ट्रेनिंग ही मी त्या ऑपरेटरना देतो. तरी नगरकर मॅडमने मला कॉन्टॅक्ट करून ही व्हिडिओमध्ये बोलण्याची संधी दिल्याबद्दल त्यांचे आभार. आणि टिळक महाराष्ट्र विद्यापीठाचा मी एक भाग असल्याबद्दल मला अभिमान आहे. वॉश युअर हँड, wear your mask, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
Hi, hello everyone. I'm Wasim Patel from Mumbai. I have done MCA from Tilak Maharashtra Vidyapeeth and I passed out in 2011 batch. I started working with the DataCare software soon after MCA. Then I switched to Evitasoft Solutions, which is my current company, and I have been working here as a project manager for more than 5 years. सर्वात आधी तर टिळक महाराष्ट्र विद्यापीठाला 100 वर्ष पूर्ण झाल्याबद्दल आपणा सर्वांना खूप खूप शुभेच्छा. आणि टिळक महाराष्ट्र विद्यापीठाबद्दल म्हणायचं झालं तर मला एक गोष्ट नक्कीच हायलाईट करावीशी वाटेल की जे स्टुडंट नॉन IT बॅकग्राऊंडचे होते आणि त्यांना IT फील्डमध्ये करिअर करायची इच्छा होती, त्यांच्यासाठी खूप चांगली अपॉर्च्युनिटी टिळक महाराष्ट्र विद्यापीठाने दिली IT मध्ये करिअर बनवण्याची. आणि मीही ह्यातलाच एक स्टुडंट होतो. आणि आपल्याला तर माहीत आहेच की एका नॉन IT स्टुडंटला जर IT इंडस्ट्रीसाठी तयार करायचं असेल तर किती मेहनत घ्यावी लागेल, आणि हीच मेहनत आमच्या TMVच्या प्रोफेसर्सनी आमच्यासाठी घेतली आहे. MCAच्या 3 वर्षात मला खूप काही शिकायला मिळालं. कधीही कुठेही काहीही प्रॉब्लेम आल्यावर आपले प्रोफेसर मदतीसाठी नेहमीच तयार असायचे. मी त्यांचे सर्वांचे मनापासून आभार मानतो आणि त्यांनाही विनंती करतो की आपले आशीर्वाद आणि प्रेम असेच पुढेही आमच्यावर असू द्या. स्पेशली मला सांगायला आवडेल की नगरकर मॅडम, मिनल मॅडम, प्रफुल्ला मॅडम, नामजोशी मॅडम, देशपांडे मॅडम, नंतर सोमन सर आणि रीना मॅडम यांनीही खूप मेहनत घेतली आमच्या मागे. आणि त्याचंच रिझल्ट आहे की आम्ही खूप सारे मोठे मोठे प्रोजेक्टसुद्धा हँडल केले आहेत आणि आजही करतो आहे. त्यातली एक बिगेस्ट अचीवमेंट आहे की जी मला आपल्यासोबत शेअर करायला आवडेल. मी जेव्हा लास्ट इयरमध्ये होतो, ज्यावेळेला आपले लाईव्ह प्रोजेक्ट्ससुद्धा चालू होते, तर तेव्हा मी आणि माझी फ्रेंड आम्ही एकत्र तीसुद्धा टिळक महाराष्ट्र विद्यापीठाचीच स्टुडंट होती. आम्ही दोघं एक दुसऱ्या प्रोजेक्टवरतीसुद्धा काम करत होतो सेम टाईम. तर तो जो प्रोजेक्ट होता तो आम्ही मेहसाणा जिल्हा पंचायतसाठी बनवला होता. तो एक गव्हर्मेंट प्रोजेक्ट होता. सर्व शिक्षा अभियान अंतर्गत एक स्टुडंट ड्रॉपआउट ट्रॅकिंग सिस्टम एक डिझाईन केली होती आणि त्या प्रोजेक्टचं इनॉग्रेशन माननीय नरेंद्र मोदीजी यांनी केलं होतं. तर ती एक खूप मोठी अचीवमेंट होती आमच्यासाठी. आणि त्यानंतर जेव्हा पेंडॅमिक सुरू झालं होतं तेव्हा एक भारत कवच नावाची एक डोनेशन सिस्टम आम्ही डिझाईन केली, जी स्पेशली BPCLसाठी आम्ही बनवलेली. ती एक क्लोज ग्रुप डोनेशन ॲप्लिकेशन आपण म्हणू शकतो त्याला. तर तीसुद्धा आज संपूर्ण भारतात यूज केली जाते. तर असे खूप सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स आम्ही केलेत, मोठे मोठे प्रोजेक्ट्स आम्ही केलेत. आणि आज जे पण काही आहे ते आपल्या कॉलेजमुळे आणि आपल्या शिक्षकांमुळेच आम्ही या स्टेजवर आलो आहे. आणि पुन्हा एकदा नगरकर मॅडमचे आभार मानतो, मला या इव्हेंटबद्दल कळवलात आणि इथे बोलायची संधी दिली म्हणून. थँक्यू सो मच.
Hi everyone, this is Rishi from Sydney, Australia. I am TMV student since 2006. I did my bachelor's PCA and passed out 2007, and then I completed my master's MCA in 2010. Those 6 years I've spent in TMV were really the best 6 years, I would say, in my life, where I have learned so many things, met so many friends, so many good people. I would say our coursework during that time were really top edge. The course were designed considering the current market scenarios and which someone would really learn and implement in their jobs when they go out in the market. For me particularly, how I grew is, of course, I've started as an application developer and then started doing a team lead and technical lead roles. But then I moved to management in 2015, and after that been leading teams, and currently I'm head of application services at Instantra, looking after SharePoint, Microsoft 365 and Dynamics. What I want to say is the things I've learned in my coursework, whether they're technical, management, because we used to have mixed course. There were some technical courses, but at the same time, we used to have some management courses like project management, enterprise resource planning, enterprise resource management, which really helped me understand how the things works in the industry. That has led a strong foundation, which I'm sure I am applying in my day-to-day life, even after 11 or 12 years. So I am really glad that I'm one of those who attended a college and learned this all things, and during those 6 years in my bachelor's and master's. So I really miss being on the campus. So hopefully once the borders are open and if I get a chance to travel, definitely would like to go on the campus and meet with some of the old friends and faculty. But I really wish good luck to all the students, faculties, and all the team members at TMV. And I'm really thankful that the foundation you guys have led me, you helped me form that foundation that is helping me as on today, and I'm sure it's gonna help me in future to grow me personally and individually in my career as well. So thanks again, and I really want to express my gratitude to all the faculty again and teachers, and definitely I will be part of TMV alumni. Feel free to reach out to me for any information and where I can help anyone. Reach out to me on LinkedIn, Facebook, Gmail, and I will be always keen to participate in any alumni work. So thanks again.
Hello everyone, I am Janvi Hemant Palak, BBA graduate from Tilak Maharashtra Vidyapit Pune in year 2012. I really feel blessed that I have took a right decision to join TMV's BBA graduation program after my 12th. This program really added spice to my life. What more attracted me was the third year specialization, and I opted for HR. Apart from all of this, I would like to thank all my professors who made us what we are today. I truly appreciate the knowledge, efforts and experience by which they are creating bright future generation. TMV is one of the best university which has lots of courses under one roof. Because of depth of the learning provided by TMV, I have also successfully completed my MBA in HR. Thanks to all learning. At present, I am working with Vishay Semiconductor India Private Limited, which is known manufacturing company, as a senior officer admin. Thank you so much TMV for such a wonderful and detailed learning programs. Thank you so much. Bye.
Hi, good morning guys. My name is Ibrahim Hussain Mir. My batch was 2008, and I'm thanks to Vikas College and Tilak Maharashtra Vidyapit to support those students who are doing job and they want to do the further study like MBA and others. And when I saw this opportunity from the Vikas College Vikhroli branch, so I immediately did the entrance exams and completing my MBA in 2008. And I am quite happy and thank to Tilak Maharashtra Vidyapit and Vikas College, Vikas sir, everyone, faculty member, they are supporting a lot with us and they are cooperative. So it is very different to be changed in my career in the banking sector, and I am happy to currently my profile because of the got a degree of the MBA. So again I am thanks to Tilak Maharashtra Vidyapeeth and Vikas College for give this such kind of opportunity to student like us. Thank you so much.
नमस्कार, मी प्रवीण पोपटराव शेवाळे, टिळक महाराष्ट्र विद्यापीठाचा माजी विद्यार्थी. 2010 मध्ये शहरी आणि ग्रामीण विकासातून समाजकार्याचं शिक्षण पूर्ण केलं. सध्या मेघालय राज्यातील सेवा भारती मेघालय या संस्थेमध्ये स्टेट ऑर्गनायझेशन सेक्रेटरी म्हणून कार्यरत आहे. आज या वेळ प्रसंगी मी टिळक महाराष्ट्र विद्यापीठाचे समाजकार्य विभागाचे आणि आमच्या प्राध्यापकांचे मी ऋणी आहे. कारण एक समाज कार्यकर्ता समाजातील समस्या सोडवण्यासाठी आपल्या गुणांचा वापर करून कोणत्या पद्धतीने काम करू शकतो याचं जे मार्गदर्शन आम्हाला प्रत्यक्ष विभागाकडून प्राध्यापकांकडून जे मिळालं ते आज आम्हाला आमच्या संस्थेमध्ये काम करताना आम्हाला त्याचा फायदा होत आहे, त्याचा अनुभव येत आहे. आपल्या सगळ्यांना ज्ञात आहे की भारताचा जो ईशान्य भाग आहे, ज्याला नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया असं म्हटलं जातं, या नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडियामध्ये 180 प्रकारपेक्षाही अधिक ट्राईब्स इथे राहतात. तेवढ्या त्यांच्या भाषा आहेत, त्यांच्या खाण्यापिण्याच्या पद्धती आहेत, त्यांचे चेहऱ्याचे जे सगळे भाव आहेत ते वेगळे आहेत, त्यांचे सण आणि उत्सव करण्याची पद्धती वेगळी आहे. आणि आपल्याला ज्ञात आहे की पूर्वांचलाच्या लोकांचे चेहरे हे थोडे चायनीज आणि नेपाळीज लोकांसारखे दिसल्यामुळे उर्वरित प्रांतातनं उर्वरित राज्यातल्या लोकांकडनं जी हीनतेची भावना त्यांना मिळत असते, त्या भावनेमुळे आपला समाज याच्यामध्ये खूप मोठी एक दरी निर्माण झालेली आहे. आणि ज्यावेळेस ही दरी निर्माण होते त्यावेळेस गैरसमज होतात आणि गैरसमजातनं हा जो समाज आहे हा समाज राष्ट्रीय प्रवाहातनं दूर जातो. आणि राष्ट्रीय प्रवाहातनं दूर गेल्यानंतर काय होतं तर आपल्याला या पूर्वांचलामध्ये प्रत्यक्ष त्याचा अनुभव येतो की एखादा समाज राष्ट्रीय प्रवाहातनं दूर जातो तर तिथे नक्षलवाद, आतंकवाद, उग्रवाद अशा पद्धतीच्या समस्या होतात. गेल्या 40 ते 50 वर्षापासून या सगळ्या पूर्वांचलाच्या भागामध्ये विशेष करून मेघालयामध्ये ही जी अराष्ट्रीय गतिविधीची ऍक्टिव्हिटीज वाढलेली आहे. तर त्यावेळेस 1995 मध्ये सेवा भारती मेघालय संस्थेची स्थापना होते. संस्था एक उद्दिष्ट डोळ्यासमोर ठेवते की जो हा भाग भारतापासून दूर जात आहे त्याला परत भारताशी जोडण्याचा प्रयत्न आणि हा जो समाज राष्ट्रीय प्रवाहातून दूर जातोय त्याला परत एकदा या राष्ट्रीय प्रवाहामध्ये घेऊन येणं, या पद्धतीचा कार्यक्रम सेवा भारती मेघालय गेल्या 26 वर्षापासून करत आहे. देशातल्या डॉक्टरांना वर्षातनं एकत्र करून ती धन्वंतरी सेवा यात्रा असेल किंवा वेगवेगळ्या महाविद्यालयाच्या विद्यार्थ्यांनी वर्षातनं एकदा मेघालयात येऊन ग्रामीण क्षेत्रामध्ये राहून इथल्या लोकांशी बंधुभाव आणि देशाविषयी प्रेम निर्माण करण्याचं जे काम चालू आहे ती आपली राष्ट्रीय एकात्मता यात्रा असेल. युवकांमध्ये नशामुक्ती कार्यक्रम असेल, बालकांमध्ये पोषण आहार कार्यक्रम असेल, महिलांमध्ये बचत गटाच्या माध्यमातून त्यांना स्वावलंबन करणं असेल किंवा मेघालयातील विद्यार्थ्यांना गुजरात, महाराष्ट्र, कर्नाटक, राजस्थान, दिल्ली या शहरांमध्ये शिक्षणाची पद्धती त्यांना उपलब्ध करून देण्याचं असेल, हे जे सेवा भारती गेल्या 26 वर्षापासून कार्यरत आहे. आज या वेळ प्रसंगी टीमवीच्या मार्गदर्शनामध्ये आणि प्राध्यापकांनी वेळोवेळी जे मार्गदर्शन केलं तर मार्गदर्शनाचाच फायदा आहे. कारण महाराष्ट्रापेक्षा मेघालय इतक्या दूरमध्ये काम करण्याची जी माझी मानसिकता आहे किंवा इतक्या दीर्घ वेळ काम करण्याचा जो माझा अनुभव आहे त्याची प्रेरणा सुद्धा मला माझ्या प्राध्यापकांकडनं मिळाली आहे. म्हणून मी समाजकार्य विभागाला आग्रहाचं निमंत्रण देतो की त्यांनी मेघालयात यावं, आमच्या संस्थेचं काम बघावं, आपला विद्यार्थी कोणत्या पद्धतीने काम करत आहे त्याच्यासाठी एक पाठीवर एक शाबासकीची थाप असावी. म्हणून मी आग्रहाचं निमंत्रण या विभागाला करतो की त्यांनी इथे व्हिजिट करावी. पूर्वांचलाचं निसर्ग सौंदर्य, विविध संस्कृतीने नटलेला हा सगळा समाज याचं प्रत्यक्ष दर्शन करावं. या 26 वर्षाच्या काळामध्ये आमच्या संस्थेने जे उद्दिष्ट डोळ्यासमोर ठेवलं, आज त्याचा कुठेतरी सुखद आनंद आम्हाला येत आहे. त्याचं सुद्धा प्रत्यक्ष दर्शन आपल्या सगळ्यांनी करावं. परत एकदा टिळक महाराष्ट्र विद्यापीठाच्या विभागात समाजकार्य विभागाचे आणि आमच्या सर्व प्राध्यापकांचे मी मनापूर्वक त्यांचा धन्यवाद न देता त्यांचा ऋणी राहील. आणि ह्या निमित्ताने मेघालयामध्ये जी खासी भाषा बोलली जाते त्या भाषेमध्ये मी तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना नमस्कार, खुबलाई शिबून.
नमस्कार, मी किमया किशोर देशपांडे, टिळक महाराष्ट्र विद्यापीठ MA इंडॉलॉजी 2017-2019 या बॅचची मी विद्यार्थिनी. पुण्यातील काही नामांकित सामाजिक संस्थांची संलग्न, सूत्रसंचलन, निवेदन ह्याच्यासाठी संहिता लेखन आणि सादरीकरण केल्यामुळे थोडाफार सांस्कृतिक क्षेत्राशी संबंध, उषा पब्लिकेशन या संस्थेची संस्थापिका संचालिका, ऐतिहासिक कादंबऱ्यांचा अनुवाद केल्यामुळे अनुवादिका. पण खरं तर माझं मुख्य कार्यक्षेत्र हे IT आहे. गेल्या 32 वर्षांहून अधिक काळ मी IT क्षेत्रामध्ये कार्यरत आहे. टेक महिंद्रा लिमिटेड या कंपनीमध्ये ग्रुप हेड सेल्स ऑपरेशन्स या पदावरून कार्यरत असताना कंपनीच्या सेल्स टीम्सची टार्गेट सेटिंग ऍक्टिव्हिटीज, फोरकास्टिंग आणि एकूणच कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड मध्ये अहोरात्र डुबलेली आणि रमलेली मी. पण एकीकडे माझ्या मनात मात्र कायम प्राचीन भारताचा इतिहास, इतिहासपूर्व संस्कृती ह्या विषयांबद्दल कायमच उत्सुकता होती. आणि त्या उत्सुकतेपोटीच मी टिळक महाराष्ट्र विद्यापीठाच्या श्री बालमुकुंद लोहिया संस्कृत आणि भारतीय विद्या अध्ययन केंद्रामध्ये भारतीय विद्या पारंगत MA इंडॉलॉजी ह्या अभ्यासक्रमाला प्रवेश घेतला. पृथ्वीच्या जन्मापासून ते माणसाचा पुढे प्रगती कशी होत गेली इथपासून ते महाराष्ट्राची अस्मिता ह्यापर्यंत अनेक विषयांवरील इथे निवेदन आणि विवेचन हे ऐकायला मिळालं. हा जो अभ्यासक्रम आहे हा अतिशय छान आणि सुसूत्र असा केलेला आहे. ह्याच्यामध्ये वैदिक संस्कृती आणि अभिजात साहित्य, बृहत्तर भारत, प्राचीन कला आणि स्थापत्य, प्राचीन शासन व्यवस्था असे अनेक इतिहासांचे पैलू उलगडून दाखवले आहेत. आणि हे सांगणारे, हे शिकवणारे जे प्राध्यापक आहेत ते अत्यंत ज्ञानी, शांत, साधे पण स्वतःचं असं एक स्वतंत्र व्यक्तिमत्व असलेले असे आहेत. वर्गामध्ये वय वर्ष 22 ते 75 या वयोगटामधील विविध क्षेत्रामध्ये काम करणारे असे अनेक विद्यार्थी यांना या प्राध्यापकांचं समृद्ध असं व्याख्यान खिळवून ठेवतं. आणि या विद्यार्थ्यांच्या शंकांचं निरसन हे प्राध्यापक अतिशय समाधानकारक असे करतात. खरं तर आत्ताचं हे जे युग आहे हे ग्लोबलायझेशनचं, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजन्सचं युग आहे. या युगामध्ये सगळी माहिती हे आपण कम्प्युटरवर किंवा हार्ड डिस्कवर ठेवतो. पण ह्या प्राध्यापकांकडे बघून मला असं वाटतं की ह्यांच्या ब्रेन मध्येच तर मेमरी चिप बसवलेली नाहीये ना. त्यांच्या जिभेवर नांदणारी जी सरस्वती आहे त्याच्यामुळे अखंड ज्ञानाचा स्रोत इथे वाहत असतो. या प्राध्यापकांच्या बद्दल माझ्या मनात कायमच आदर आहे. एकूणच टिळक महाराष्ट्र विद्यापीठाचं जे कामकाज आहे ते सुद्धा नावाजण्यासारखं आहे. कामकाजामध्ये पूर्णपणे आधुनिकीकरण झालेलं आहे. व्हॉट्सअप ग्रुप अगदी प्रवेश घेतल्यापासून रिझल्ट लागेपर्यंत सर्व गोष्टींचं हे कम्प्युटरायझेशन झालेलं आहे. अजून एक टिळक महाराष्ट्र विद्यापीठाचं वैशिष्ट्य म्हणजे जरी तुमचा अभ्यासक्रम संपला तरी सुद्धा तिथे चालणारे वेगवेगळे उपक्रम, व्याख्यानमाला, हेरिटेज वॉक यामुळे आपली संस्थेशी नाळ ही जुळलेली राहते. आणि म्हणूनच आपलं वय आणि कामाच्या क्षेत्राची मर्यादा त्याबद्दल कुठलीही भीती मनात न बाळगता जर का अभ्यासक्रमात झोकून दिलं तर आयुष्यात एक निखळ बौद्धिक असा आनंद नक्की प्राप्त होतो. इथे असलेले सगळे जे प्राध्यापक आहेत, डॉक्टर अमरीश खरे सर, मंजिरी भालेराव मॅडम, धनश्री शेजवलकर मॅडम, गौरी बेडेकर मॅडम, नातू मॅडम, बापट सर, श्रीकांत प्रधान सर, जोगळेकर सर, ह्या सर्व गुरूंकडनं आम्ही खूप शिकलोय. त्यांचं आम्हाला मार्गदर्शन आणि सहवास लाभला आहे आणि त्याच्यामुळे आम्हाला इतिहासाकडे बघण्याचा एक वेगळा दृष्टिकोन मिळालेला आहे. ह्याचा आम्हाला आयुष्यात नक्कीच फायदा होणार आहे. मागच्या वर्षी मी इथेच डिप्लोमा इन मायथॉलॉजी केलं आणि ते पूर्ण झाल्यावर माझ्या लक्षात आलं की इथं ज्ञानाचं एक वेगळं भांडार आपल्या समोर खुलं झालेलं आहे. टिळक महाराष्ट्र विद्यापीठाचे जे स्किल डेव्हलपमेंटचे प्रोग्राम्स आहेत ते प्रत्येक विषय म्हणजे मी म्हणेन तुमच्या व्यक्तिमत्वामध्ये बदल घडवून आणणारे असे आहेत आणि तरुणांना वेगळ्या व्यवसायाच्या संधी उपलब्ध करून देणारे आहेत. आज टिळक महाराष्ट्र विद्यापीठाची मी विद्यार्थिनी आहे हे सांगताना मला मनापासून आनंद आणि अभिमान वाटतो. टिळक महाराष्ट्र विद्यापीठ या संस्थेला तिथे कार्यरत असणाऱ्या सगळ्या ज्येष्ठ वरिष्ठ अशा अधिकारी वर्गाला, गुरुवर्यांना आणि संलग्न अशा सगळ्यांनाच मी इथे आज शताब्दी वर्षानिमित्ताने अभिवादन करून पुढील वाटचालीसाठी शुभेच्छा देते. धन्यवाद. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.
Thank you so much. The journey is never ending. There's always going to be growth, improvement, adversity, and you just have to take it all in and what's right. Continue to grow, continue to live in the moment. A graceful day to all of you. It's my privilege to have been asked to propose the vote of thanks on this occasion. I, Assistant Professor Atif Sunke, on behalf of Tilak Maharashtra Vidyapeeth, first of all extend my most sincere thanks to the Lord God. I extend my very hearty vote of thanks to the Chancellor of TMV, Dr. Deepak Tilak sir, who spared his valuable time with us and graced the occasion. A big thank you to Vice Chancellor Dr. Geetali Tilak ma'am for giving us a chance to listen to her and gracing the occasion. I mention my deepest sense of appreciation and would place on record my hearty thanks to Dr. Pranati Tilak ma'am for sharing knowledge with us. I also extend my thanks to the committee members for their cooperation. Events like this cannot happen overnight. So the wheels start rolling weeks ago and requires planning and bird's eye for detail. We are fortunate enough to have been backed by a very dedicated and motivated team of the trust who know their task and are very much result oriented. I cannot thank everyone enough for their willingness and involvement to take on the completion of the work beyond their comfort zone. There's so much varying on the vote of thanks to express my emotion that fits the atmosphere right. So I specifically thank the people who have been the backbone of the event. Our technical arrangement team, light arrangement team, and stage arrangement team. I wholeheartedly thank our alumni who shared their experiences and views with us. Our alumni members are our assets, our stakeholders. We really request our alumni to support and contribute to the institution in its development and progress. I hope everyone has savored each moment of the proceeding to the fullest. We sincerely wish to meet you next year too, with renewed vigor and interest to delve deeper into the ecstasy of sense of togetherness. Thank you all. Thank you so much.